Officers say they found 6 bundles of marijuana 10.5 pounds strapped from her torso to her legs. Smuggling anything is pretty much illegal in every country in the world, but you have to admit, these smugglers can get really creative at times. Many smugglers choose to keep items hidden inside their bodies, hoping to get past a search. Sadly, many innocent people are forced to carry illegal items across the border to avoid suspicion. In 2012, a 94-year-old woman from Nogales was turned over to the custody of U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement. The old woman was caught with 6 bundles of marijuana weighing 10.5 pounds, which were strapped from her torso to her legs. The marijuana was valued at $5,250. Upon arrest, the old woman was visibly shaken and shocked. Apparently, she was forced by unknown people to smuggle marijuana across the Mexico-US border. The woman was crossing the Morley pedestrian gate when border officers say she was picked for further inspection, according to a U.S. Customs and Border Protection news release. Sadly, she faced charges even when she was just used as a drug mule by the real criminals. She was soon detained for drug trafficking charges.